Hello everyone, it's me, Daphne. I'm back again with another video. So I did a video on the MetaQuest 3 VR and it was really cool and really fun and all the games were really sick. I really enjoyed it. And I enjoyed it so much that I went out and got the Apple Vision Pro and I'm really excited to try this one. I hope it's as cool as everyone says it is. I've seen it all over social media, so I thought that I might as well just give it a shot and try it out. It's expensive, so I really hope that it's worth it. But I'm really excited to unbox this and use it with you guys and show you how it works and what it can do. So let's get started. Now I'm going to unbox it. It's pretty heavy. The box is heavy. I like doing these little peel things, little ASMR. It's like an ASMR video and an Apple Vision Pro review in one. This is really soft, this piece right here. Okay, this is them. Oh, and then you can take. I wish you guys could feel this. Look how stretchy it is. It's so soft. I want like a pillowcase made out of this. Okay, I'm just gonna put them on now. I wonder if I look good. I can't see myself, so I don't know if I look good. But there's more in here, so I need to actually take these off now. I'm gonna put the lens cap on it to protect it. In the meantime, fix my hair. Okay, this is, oh, it comes with a cleaner. Very soft, and it even says Vision Pro on it. Brand name cleaning cloth. This is, oh, just a way to, I guess, fit it to your face. So I think I'm gonna keep that because I don't know what that's for. This is a light seal cushion. I assume that this is to keep the light out of the goggles. Oh, it already has one in it. This is just an extra one, so I really didn't need to open that. Put that there. This is some sort of band to help keep it on. I assume that this is a charger for it. Charger. I like the way these sound when you snap them. They sound kind of cool. I guess you charge it, I don't know where. So this is a charger, I think. And then we have another charger here for I don't know what. And then the power brick. That's all the stuff that it came with. And now we're going to set it up. And I will see you guys when this is all set up. Okay, so I just set it up through my phone. Now I'm gonna put it on and see what all the hype is about. So let's do it. Okay, oh my gosh. Encounter dinosaurs, what's this game? Creatures in this experience can see you and may react to you. What? Oh, a butterfly. Whoa, what? Okay, am I supposed to walk out here? I can't walk. I don't know where I am. Oh my gosh, it's a baby. Wait, am I allowed to like go touch it? I wanna get up and get it, but I don't wanna run into a wall. Oh my God. Okay, wait, what? Okay, now it's running away to hide. What is behind me? Is that that's a T-Rex right here. What? Oh my God, okay, what the hell? It just bit me. Okay, now they're about to fight. It's so weird because it knows exactly what you're looking at. Oh, well, this is how you scroll. I'm trying to look at the video button. I don't know if it's because I have sunscreen in my eyes, but it won't. I can scroll. I don't know how I feel about the whole eye thing. It's kind of weird, and I feel like it doesn't always get what you're looking at. So like little things like trying to hit the image button, it's, oh. Oh, I'm looking at the cutest little puppies in the world. Oh my gosh, that little German Shepherd is so cute. I guess that's how you can zoom or go like that. Okay, I only think it's fair that I try out Fruit Ninja because I did it on the MetaQuest. Fruit Ninja is downloaded, so I'm gonna play it. It's really vivid. Like the colors are just super, super vivid. Oh, and there's little things all over the ground. Little rocks and plants. So far, the MetaQuest 3 is cooler on Fruit Ninja than this. It's loading. It does take a minute to load. On the MetaQuest 3, it was like instant. There's little sprouts all over the ground. Plants growing up from the floor. And rocks, kind of pretty. There's a big papaya right there with fruit juice in the sky. There's fruit falling from the sky and a pig. Oh my gosh, this is Truffles. Oh, the pig's name is Truffles. He's so cute. Okay. Oh, it's like right in front of me. And the pig is right there smiling at me. Oh, there's 3 cannons. Oh, it's weird with the hands. Like it won't let me. It's so weird. It's not like, oh, there we go. The MetaQuest 3 one is better. I think it's because it has like a remote and it can feel where you are. But this one, it's not really tracking like my hands. Now the pig is over there. Okay, I'm getting off the game. The game was fun. I'm not gonna talk about it too much just because I do plan on doing a side-by-side like review of both of them and comparing them. But it was pretty interesting. This whole thing is just so weird how it tracks your hands and you have this screen where, as you can see, I'm just moving it with my finger. It tracks your eyes. Anything that you look at, it knows what you're looking at and it'll highlight it for you and you can decide if you want to click on it or not. It's pretty strange, but the dinosaur thing is kind of cool. I'm gonna go to my OFTV channel. This is what's so hard is that it's not listening to what I'm looking at. And I'm looking at the all button and it's not letting me. That's me! We're going back. Okay, really cute. Yeah, that's all my videos. So give me like 10 minutes. I'm gonna kind of play with this thing and find something else that's cool to show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to send myself a text message with my fingers through space. So let's do it. Now what? I just sent it. Oh, they have emojis. Let's see if I got it. I did. There's this thing that I saw online where you can put apps in places in a room and it'll stay where you want it to go. So I'm going to go to my home screen. I wonder if I can figure it out on my own. Pull it. Let's see, let's just open it. Okay, music. Let's see if I can drag it. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm literally carrying this around me in the room. Let's put it over here. App Store, let's just put the App Store over here. So let's put notes over the bathtub. Okay, now let's see. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, the App Store is over here. The music is over here. And it remembers where I left it. So I can scroll here and then I can scroll over here too. And there's no way that it remembered the one in the bathroom because that's just ridiculous. Oh, it did. Wait. Yeah, it's right here over the bathtub. So if I want, instead of getting like a really big TV, you could just put Netflix on your wall with this if you want, and it'll save space in your room because you could just literally put a movie on the wall and just watch it. And they're still there where I left them. And you can like use them from wherever you are. I can see how do I describe it? The shape of the notes, but it's from the back. So you can't see it looking this way because it knows that it's facing that way. So I just see a gray cube, which you guys can see because of the screen recording. But the real test is, will it remember something that I'm going to put upstairs? And then we'll come back down here and see if it remembers this. I can see them from all the way down here. I can still use them. They're all the way down there in the bedroom, but I can still use them. So let's do, there's Apple TV. I could put Apple TV right here. What? Let's see if it remembered the stuff downstairs, and then we're gonna come back up and see if the Apple TV is on the wall where I left it. It's still there! And I can use it, literally just swipe, and I can use all this stuff that's sitting there. So weird. Okay, let's see if it did the bathroom. Yeah, in the same spot. It's so weird seeing all of this because it has all these apps that are on the wall that really aren't even there, but you can use them. And then you just have to wear these ugly goggles and you're just in control of everything. It's so strange. Yeah, it's still there. What? That is so weird. And I can just pick, oh, Avatar. We have Avatar in here. Spider-Man, ooh, Fury Road, Mad Max, okay. I feel like I look so crazy just sitting here like pinching things and looking at things that aren't really there, but they're there for me, but for no one else. Kind of embarrassing, but from my perspective, it's really cool. So people can make fun of me all they want, but this is so cool. It's so weird taking it off. It's like you're back into the real world and then my TV isn't there anymore. Nothing is here anymore. But yeah, really, really strange. So that was the Apple Vision Pro, which is really, really cool. And some of the cool stuff that it can do, which I showed you guys. And I'm gonna do another video where I compare this one to the MetaQuest 3, which is gonna be super exciting. But I hope you had fun. I know I did. We kind of learned how to work it together. Yeah, that is it.